guy. And we be
Back in this motherfucking kitchen.
I be back in this kitchen. What's up, folks? Sometimes I do act. Actually, I got a pretty outgoing personality. Maybe I haven't shown you guys enough of that. So let's go ahead and get that started right away. But back in this kitchen, and just gonna throw something together real quick. This is something I probably just put together and not thought twice about. So basically, it's like a Italian sausage panini bowl, and of course you got your pasta. Let me show you guys. I was going live with this, but I couldn't find my tripod, and I think it'd be a little bit easier just to show you guys. But check it out: Parmesan, ragu, panini, pasta, Italian sauce. I love this stuff. We'll do some diced tomatoes in it, onion, bell pepper, salt, pepper. Gotta have garlic and everything, and minced onions in it. So, and of course the butter and salt for the pasta. Pot here going. It's gonna be for the meat. Guys, got the pasta water ready. I added some butter. I'm adding some of this kosher salt as well too. Get the pasta a little flavor while it's cooking. Maybe about, this is about a teaspoon. That gets you going. Use this for my Italian sausage. I may add a little beef in it too, but yeah, we'll go with that. All right, guys, here we go with Italian sausage. Add that in there. Of course, you want to make sure the lining is off of it. Get it going. Get it over medium heat. Add your onions in there. And your green peppers. Get it started. I still left some here because once the pasta gets ready, we mix it all together. I want to add a few more of these guys, more crispier than the other. All right, let me mix it. Got my favorite wood spoon here. The good thing about Italian sausage, it has its own flavor. You don't have to do much to it. Okay. Just going to get this all browned up. The other burner, we're going to add our noodles, our pasta. I mean, you got a whole box. I don't want to do a whole box. Let me just test it real quick. Yeah, go ahead and add a whole box. Yeah, that's cool. Go ahead and add a one whole box. That's good enough. If you feel like you don't have enough meat or you want more meat, you can always stretch this to add more meat. I was going to add some ground beef, but I think this will be fine. Just go ahead and let this brown on up and let that boil until it gets to a point to where it's still pretty firm, but you can still pull it out. And we'll go. All right, family, we got the Italian sausage all nice and brown, and we got our pasta. Pasta, nice. It's kind of al dente. I don't know exactly what that means, but it sounds good. I'm just joking. It's right before, it's still a little firm because we're going to cook it again. So that's why I kept it this way. Normally I would want to add butter, but don't add butter because I want the sauce to stick. So let's go ahead and go our next step here. Gonna add our diced tomatoes. So get these guys in there. Okay. Remember, the Italian sausage already has its own seasoning and flavoring. Nice. And add these tomatoes for just a little extra vegetables. Because I'm gonna go ahead and go with the ragu sauce. All right. Now let's go ahead. Garlic. That is about a nice tablespoon. You take your little spoon, mix it in. If you like garlic, this is good. Just add as much as you want. Okay. And next, we add our noodles over. Actually, I said pasta over. There you go. Let's mix this guy over. And with the Italian sausage, it's already looking good. If you want more meat in it, you can definitely do that. I probably shouldn't have this pork, but hey, this is sausage. I just like the ground sausage. It's really good. But as you see, we have one package of ground Italian sausage, and we have one box of panini pasta. we went ahead and seasoned our ground sausage a little bit with garlic and some tomatoes. See how it's looking? It's gonna look real nice. And then we're gonna add our ragu sauce to it. Ragu, this time I chose the mushroom green pepper sauce, chunky. Add that. I may not use all this, but I'm just going to make sure all the noodles are coated. As you see, I didn't add any other oils to the noodles because I want that sauce to coat it. Okay. All right, that's good. Now let's add the rest of our green peppers and onions. There we go. Add those in there. I'll stir it up. Then we're gonna put heat back on this. Medium-low heat. Let it simmer a little bit. That way those green peppers and onions will be so crisp. Right, let's add some pepper. Give it a little flavor, depth of flavor. A little bit more salt, maybe half a teaspoon. Add some minced onions for a little bit more flavor. Okay. Add just a little bit more sauce. A bit more sauce. But you can add as much sauce as you want, a little bit or not. So, taste of what you want. Okay. I think this could stand a bit more sauce, so I'll probably just add the rest of this. But totally up to you. We add the rest of it, so I won't have any for later. Any left over. Nice. It's just I did add the rest of that sauce. You know you gotta do at least a tablespoon of sugar to cut the acidity from the tomatoes and the tomato sauce. You got the sugar, you can eyeball it. There you go. A little too sweet, but yeah, that should be enough. That should be enough. Let's go ahead and stir it on up. There we go. From this point, you can taste it for flavor. I'm gonna go with medium heat. And then I'm gonna cover it. About 15 minutes. All right, guys, here we go. Good to go, good to go. That look good. The noodles all at me. The noodles, the pasta. It's pasta, man. It's pasta. The pasta's all intact. Kept its shape, nice and juicy. I flavored just a little bit more. Probably a little bit more salt, a little bit more sugar. If you like garlic, add more garlic. Whatever your taste buds tell you to add. But yeah, you're good to go. Good to go. So let's go ahead and add it to a bowl. Add it to a bowl. Nice, easy, simple, easy. My fellas out there, you guys can do this easily with no issue whatsoever. Impress your girl. She's like in the kitchen all during the day. And, and then of course the flavors. There we go. Get it. Bring it over here. Take your little Parmesan. Add that. I can do this with one hand. Let's see. That's how good I am. Here we go, guys. Sorry. Add your Parmesan. Minus every month. There we go. Add your Parmesan. It's good to go. All right, guys. Here we go. Let's taste it. Yes, sir. Easy, quick, and of course you can dress it up. Add garlic bread. Add some broccoli, and of course some more Parmesan, and go from there. So very easy meal to make. Doesn't take a lot of time, and you get a mouthful of flavor. So ground meat and pasta is probably my one go-to comfort type food. Really good. Really good. Some of that Parmesan. Yes, sir. Go. One of my favorite things to eat. So Simple, easy. Simple, easy. I chose Italian sausage. You can use chicken. You use just vegetables with no meat at all, so that's an option. Of course, ground beef. Yes, sir. Make it your own. All right, guys, there you go. Another one in the books. Very simple, very easy. Like I said, it's something I was just probably made and not picked up the camera, but thanks for holding my feet to the fire. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you're here for the first time, please like and subscribe. Join the family. I'm still doing food reviews as well, but we're gonna mix it up with a bit more cooking, like I used to do prior. Of course, it's gonna start going live, probably go live. Plus with the other day, but I don't want to bore you guys, so I don't just want to go live just to go live. But I will, I promise. But I pray you guys are doing well. Hit the like button, join the family. Much love to you guys. And I'll bring you guys an update as far as intermittent. Actually, this was my first meal since last night at 10 o'clock. I went a little over, so I got to figure out this intermittent fasting thing. But I think I'm gonna make my feeding time between 12 and 6. So it's almost 6 o'clock now, so I won't eat again until tomorrow around 12. But I'll pick up the camera, let you guys see what I'm doing and how I'm doing it and what I decide to do. And then we'll work on our next food review as well too. So pray you guys are doing well. Thanks for rocking with your boy. I'm gonna see you beautiful, beautiful people next video.